Complexion Beyond Natural, Daily Aqua BB. Naturally cover blemishes, reduce the appearance of fine lines. Fresh and dewy skin, Daily Aqua BB Makeup, daily BB cream that gives natural coverage and a healthy-looking glow. Key ingredients: Anna-Marina asphodelides root. Extract moisturizes the skin while improving elasticity and radiance. Glutathione, antioxidant component of 3 amino acid polymers that clarify and even the skin tone. Byungpool, Centella asiatica. Leaf water, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Key benefits: provides natural light coverage that leaves skin looking smooth and dewy, never heavy or cakey. Skin brightening, wrinkle care, and nourishing care all in one product. In addition, Byungpool, idebenone, and peptide ingredients provide nutrition to restore radiant, healthy skin. Contains 57% Byungpool leaf water. Lightly conceals blemishes, redness, and imperfections seamlessly without adding weight for a true no-makeup makeup look. How to use. Use a small amount and apply a thin layer evenly onto the skin. How to use with other Incellderm products. After basic skincare, complete the makeup routine in the following order. Sunscreened Aqua BB 4D Cushion.